do I need a protein powder? So firstly, let's talk about the different types of protein powder. There is animal-based protein powder and plant-based protein powder. And the most commonly used animal-based protein powder is going to be whey protein. Now, whey protein can come in a variety of different forms, and the form that is best is going to depend on your personal preferences and also your personal physiological needs and any reactions you might have to food. So there's three types of whey-based protein powder. There's Whey Concentrate, Whey Isolate, and Whey Hydrolysate. Whey Concentrate has a pretty decent amount of protein per serving. However, it is going to have more carbohydrates per serving than Whey Protein Isolate. The thing to consider here is not necessarily the carbohydrate content, because when you compare Whey Isolate and Whey Concentrate, the difference in carbohydrate is very negligible. But concentrate whey protein is going to have a higher amount of lactose than isolate whey protein. This is important for people who have lactose intolerance, because if you have lactose intolerance, or you notice that dairy maybe makes you feel a little bit funny, you might not want to opt for a whey protein concentrate. You might want to opt for an isolate. Whey protein isolate, it contains little to no lactose. It also contains little to no carbohydrates, just because, again, there's no lactose in it, lactose being a type of carbohydrate. One of the things to consider about hydrolyzed whey protein is that this protein is already partially digested. Not in the physiological digestive sense, but whey protein hydrolysate is going to be partially treated either with heat or another method of breaking down those protein bonds in such a way that it makes it easier to digest. So a hydrolyzed whey protein is going to be the fastest digesting protein. It's going to be in and out of your stomach and get into the cells very quickly. This allows for faster recovery, but research is a little bit mixed on just in terms of how quickly that recovery happens. If you don't really care how quickly you've recovered from things, you can opt for a whey protein concentrate or an isolate and be just fine.